Advanced Day Total Protect and Advanced Day Eye Protect are anti-aging moisturisers for the face and the eyes, offering SPF 30 and 5-star UVA protection and boosted with environmental protection to prevent the visible signs of aging. We wanted to make the ultimate daily sunscreen for optimal protection against all the factors which can cause premature aging. This meant not just including SPF 30 and 5-star UVA protection, but utilising a 360-degree environmental shield which protects against pollution, infrared, blue light and glycation. All in a lightweight, non-greasy formula which doesn't even feel like a traditional sunscreen. Helping to prevent signs of premature skin aging, Advanced Day Total Protect forms a shield over the complexion to protect from environmental damage and pollution. The Nourishing Day Cream replenishes the skin's hydration levels to keep it looking healthy and youthful. Lightweight, Advanced Day Total Protect leaves a powder dry finish and is the perfect base for makeup. The eye cream is gentle on the skin, absorbing quickly and leaving the eyes nourished and protected all day. Advanced Day Total Protect not only provides exceptional protection from sun damage, the next generation formula also provides 360-degree protection against all aspects of the environment. Moringa extract in particular acts as a next generation antioxidant which forms an urban shield on the surface of the skin to prevent environmental pollution damage. We use carnosine in our anti-AGE technology to prevent glycation, a process in which sugars from the diet can react with proteins such as collagen, leading to fine lines and wrinkles. Carnosine is also able to protect the skin from harmful infrared rays, which can also break down collagen. We use theobroma cocoa seed extract to protect against free radical production from blue light. Advanced Day Eye Protect uses caffeine and hesperidin to help diminish the appearance of dark circles, to leave the eyes bright, protected and refreshed. What truly sets Advanced Day Total Protect and Eye apart is Medik8's carefully chosen complex of chemical sunscreen filters which can achieve a broad spectrum SPF without using any controversial filters that are nowhere near as environmentally or skin friendly which are commonly found on the sun care market. Proven to be long lasting, extremely safe, coral reef friendly and incredible shields against premature aging, our chosen chemical filters Tinasorb S, Uvinol T150, Usilex 232 and Uvinol A+ ensure that our most advanced day cream ever is the ultimate SPF 30 protective moisturiser for youthful looking skin. Advanced Day Total Protect and Advanced Day Eye Protect are perfect for those looking for an everyday sunscreen/moisturiser hybrid to protect their skin from environmental damage. Normal, dry and mature skin types are ideal for this product as it provides comprehensive protection against premature aging. After cleansing in the morning, apply Advanced Day Eye Protect around the eye area, avoiding eyelids. Make sure you apply at least a quarter teaspoon of Advanced Day Total Protect to face, neck and décolletage, avoiding the delicate eye area. Use light upward strokes and allow to absorb. Make sure you reapply during the day for optimal protection.